Okay, go on. Now we have ISS SPF exam experience. Let's start OSPF SPF exam. This will be a little hard, cause in OSPF LCA1 we have 4 type link type, right? 4 type link type, as we discuss in section 5.2. Have stop, transit, point to point, and virtual. Virtual is used for virtual link, so usually we just need to talk about 3 types. In normal SPF. First is stop segment. Stop like a spine connect a leaf, a tree, connect a leaf. The leaf we call the network. So stop like a node direct to the network. The second is transit segment. We know multi-access link will be described to transit segment, and DR will be generate LCA2. Every router connected to this link like to connect a pseudo node. Every router to pseudo node cost equal transit segment metric. Transit segment metric. Okay, and the pseudo node to every router, the cost is 0. Every router to pseudo node is 5. Actually, RTA to pseudo node is 5. RTA to RTB plus to pseudo node to RTB. So RTA to RTB is 5. RTA to RTC is 5 too. RTA to RTD is 5. Is 5. Right? Okay. Must add a certain note here. Every router to certain node is the transit describer cost, and certain node to every router is 0. This is transit segment. The third is point-to-point. Point-to-point segment have 2 situations. Because the point-to-point we know serial interface, encapsulation, HDLC, PPP, and frame relay sub-interface will be point-to-point, right? Normally we use PPP as the encapsulation. So PPP have 2 situations. The first one is 2 sides have different IP address and the subnetwork. The second situation is both sides use same range IP address and subnetwork. So these 2 have a little different. The point-to-point means the one node point to another node, the cost will be equal point-to-point segment describer the metric. Okay, yeah. This is point-to-point. Now here is example topology. The red number is cost, link cost. Okay. This is LSDB sample. This is not Cisco display, but just a sample, not different. This is directed graph. OSPF exam have two stage. First stage, calculate point-to-point and transit segment. Ignore a stub node because stub node like leaf. Point-to-point and transit used to build the tree, the shortest path tree. Use point-to-point and transit segment to build the tree. Stub node like leaf. Okay, go on. The second stage, only computer stub node and hand the stub segment on the shortest path tree. Okay, let's see it. Now we use SPF exam on RTA. Take RTA as a root. So shortest path tree, you can you can know here is the path list. Have three tuples. The first is destination node. Now A to A. The second is cost to the root endpoint. The third is next hop. So the first one is A0 now. A0 now. Okay, go on. Then check RTA LC1. LC1 have point-to-point segment, and stub segment. As we know, the OSPF exam have two stage. The first one is build the shortest path tree. So use point-to-point segment and the transit segment. So we use this information and this information put into the candidate list. This is RTB. This is RTD, RTB and RTB. Here is the cost, 48, 1562. The next hop is 10.2.1.1 point to RTB, 10.4.1.1 point to RT4, RTD. So we use shortest path tree. Must put the RTB into shortest path list. Okay, candidate list have we put the 2.2 RTB into the path list. Now we will write the direct graph. RTA to RTB cost 48. Go on. Now we will check RTB's database LSA1. You can see RTB's LSA have point-to-point segment and the transit segment. Point-to-point segment point to 1.1. 1.1 means RTA, but RTA already in the pass list. This calculate from the RTA. So RTA is the root, right? Is the root. So you can see 1.1 is already in pass list. Now ignore this entry. Ignore this entry. We use here this one. This one, and you can see the metric is 1. So put this one. Actually, this is DR IP address. Here is DR IP address. Put this solder node. Put this solder node into the candidate list for 10.3.1.1. This is you can treat this as solder node. Solder node. Okay. Because you are RTB's neighbor. RTA to RTB is 48, so here will be 48 plus 1 equal 49. 49. Next jump, next hop will be follow. RTB's next hop will be follow this next hop to here. Will be follow RTB's next hop to here, right? Go on. Here is shortest path tree. You will be send the solder node 4.3.1.1 into the shortest path tree path list. 49. Okay, go on. Go on. Now the pass list have 3 entries: 1.1, 2.2, RTB, RTA. Here is a solder node because this is transit network solder node. Solder node. Now check solder node LSA. Solder node LSA actually is LSA2, right? LSA2. Here is solder node. Solder node. RTB point to solder node is cost is 1. Now check LSA2. 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 We know it have a subnet mask and attached router. Have 3 router attached this link. RTC, RTD, and RTB. RTC, RTB, C, D. Because the B already in the pass list, so ignore this. Just put C and D into the candidate list, right? Solder node to every router, the distance, the cost is 0, right? The node, the actual node to the solder node is a cost describer in transit network. So here is 49 plus 0, 49 plus 0, right? Here two entry of 4.4. So delete larger one. Keep the small one. Keep the small one. Okay, go on. Now this two entry will be adding to the pass list. So now we add one in it. Okay, write the directed graph, the solder node to RTC. Here is 0, right? Here is 0. Check RTC LC1. Now you check transit net 10.3.1.1 solder node is already in pass list, so ignore this. Stop network ignore in stage 1. So RTC is done. Now RTD is input putting to the pass list. Then check RTD's LC1. Here point segment, transit segment. Point 1.1 here is already in pass list. Ignore it. Transit 10.3.1.1 already in pass list. Ignore it. So actually the shortest path tree built already, right? This is tree. The stage 1 is done. Now we need start stage 2. Stage 2. Add what? Add the leaf. Leaf is stub segment. Hand on the nodes. Hand connected nodes, right? So we check the RTA segment. RTA stop segment. Now is stage 2. Stage 2. Add leaves into the tree. So first check RTA's stop. We have stop 3 stop area segment. 10.1.1 /30/30/32 is host routes. So add 3 leaves onto the RTA, and check RTB's LC. We have 2 stop segment. Add this 2 segment on the RTB. Then check RTC LC. Then add this segment on the RTC. Last is check RTD's segment. You will be see here. Add this 2 leaf to the RTD. Now SPF. The exam is done, is finished. So the tree and the leaves already done. Okay. This is the OSPF shortest pass tree exam. SPF, shortest pass first exam. Okay. A little hard than ISS, right? Actually, almost the same. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Visit our website below.